as you can see here, we like a kind of special shield to protect LEDs. It's like a very, very durable. You can dance on it.
Your source for news from Cinegear 2018. Indie Shooter. Brought to you by Kideo, Band Pro, Blackmagic Design, Carl Zeiss, and Panasonic.
Hi, Clint with Indie Shooter, continuing our coverage of Cinegear 2018. Here with Dongming of Profound Lighting, right?
Yes.
And the cool thing about you guys is this is actually a light. Talk a little bit about, this is one of them here, talk a little bit about it.
This is called Profound, and our engineering team is having a hard time to develop this. You could find some sort of like flex light in the market, even in this exhibition,
Sure.
But it's like a second generation of like a flex light, which is like a thinner, more light. It's like a more durable as well. So we actually patented this. There are several key features, you know. As you can see here, we like a kind of special shield to protect LEDs. It's like a very, very durable. You can dance on it, and also we designed like a flex PCB, but which is we also like put many perforations between the LEDs, which resulting in making more like a paper feeling. So
yeah, it's kind of it's like a flashlight behind a white piece of paper or something like that. It blooms out.
Exactly. So it's more like paper, so it could be folded like a paper. Also roll it up like either inward or outward. So it'll be very portable, and also it could be installed in any place, literally.
So talk about the power. How do we power something like this?
We like this light is supplied with. It's like a whole kit with this light, and also we include this diffuser and like a specializer, like a bracket for the making flat light. And we also like equipped with this. We call this as a precision dimmer, which like represent it control like precisely. That's why we like a name on like this. And by using this, we can control like a color temperature from 3800 to 6500, and also fully dimmable by 1%. Yeah. It's like a
V-mount.
And also either you could use like a swap to the gold mount as well. And DMX, if you use DMX, it's detachable, so it could be lighter, more nimble, you know. So it's easy to go.
So show me how bright will it go?
It's pretty bright actually. So it's only 9% here, so we could fill it up like 100%.
Oh, wow.
And also, color temperature will be changed like this way.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
What size is this one?
Like a dimension or something?
So this is like half of a 1x1, right? Or?
Yeah, it's like half and 1x1, and it's a 50 watt version, and like we have double, like something like that model is like 100. The biggest one is 200 model.
And so can I link them all and control them by one controller?
Yeah, by using like a dimmer, the bigger one, that is 4 channel, like individually controlled by using this. And then by using that, we could independently control its panels.
Now, these are not currently available, but you're about to go into the market with them, right?
Yeah, we're all set up for the mass production. We're currently looking for distributors all around the world. And we also set for like, we already made a website, so we're ready to ship to all around the world.
I know you guys don't have pricing set, but approximately, do you know?
Approximate, yeah. So we want to be very competitive in the market, along with this kind of new technology, you know. So we believe this 15 watt version will be cost like under 1,000. So we will like $950 for all.
With the dimmer and everything.
Yeah, exactly.
And also the
bracket as well. Yeah.
Oh wow, that's nice. That's nice. People want to find out more about the ProFlex and Profound Lighting. What do? They go to your website now?
Yeah, we have a website. Yeah, profound.kr.
Profound.kr.
Your source for news from Cinegear 2018. Indie Shooter. Brought to you by Kitio, Band Pro, Blackmagic Design, Carl Zeiss, and Panasonic.